to make you love me? What I gotta do to make you care? What do I do when lightning strikes me and I wait to find that you're not there? What I gotta do to make you want me? What I gotta do to be heard? What do I say when it's all over, babe? Sorry seems to be the hardest word. That's right. It's sad, so sad. It's a sad, sad situation, and it's getting more and more absurd. It's sad, so sad. Why can't we talk it over? Always seems to me the sorry seems to